Let's create a YouTube thumbnail with CapCut. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. Open your CapCut app on your mobile phone. Tap on New Project and select Stock Videos. Swipe the tabs at the very top to the left side and select Background. And choose the preferred background color. Please permit me to rotate my screen this way. From the tab on the extreme left of the screen, select Aspect Ratio. Make sure to set it to 16:9. That is 16:9, like you're seeing. At this point, you would want to use both fingers to stretch the background that you selected to fit the entire canvas. Tap the left pointing arrow and select Text. Tap on Add Text and the dialog box will open. Okay, so that is what you see there, enter text. So this time around, you type in your desired text, whatever information you wish to put on your YouTube thumbnail, you insert it right here. From here, you can go to the font and select the font type. I usually like to work with one that is called palette. So that is usually what I use. So you tap on the desired font type and your text on the YouTube thumbnail will change to that particular text. So you can use both fingers to drag, to enlarge it, to minimize it, to center it, or move it around. To give the text a background, you tap on Style and then select Background. Yeah, so you'll be given these two options. You choose the one that works for you. So I like to give my background the black color because CapCut usually is black and white. So that explains why I use black color for the CapCut text. So I'll go back to styles, swipe up, and then reduce the corner radius of my background. So that is optional. It depends on you. Whatever that works for you, do it. So you can see the corner radius of my background is taking a different shape as I drag or move the corner radius tab down and up. Now I'll add another text box to insert the text I want to feature on my YouTube thumbnail. And it's because I used the black background for the earlier one, it will automatically appear black. But it is up to you to go through that same process to change the background. And in this case, I would like to use the red background because, as you know, YouTube actually is a red color, or the YouTube symbol is. So after I've changed the background, I would like to put it at the spot where I prefer it to be. So I'll gently move it downwards, try various locations just to get the perfect fit. So in this case, you would have to decide where you would want to put your text. But I must warn you, do not overflood your thumbnails with a lot of information, a lot of text or anything. Just do something simple and colorful. Let it send a gist of whatever you are doing. When people set their eyes on it, you do not need to make it look weird, look overburdened with a lot of information. No, that is not too good. I'll now go ahead and add my last text box because I want three text to show on my YouTube thumbnail. That is CapCut thumbnail tutorial. And then at the bottom, I add the CapCut symbol. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. And as usual, the text box comes with the red background. But again, it is up to you to go through that earlier process to change the background color. As you're about to get to the interesting part, I will please urge you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video, and there are more videos on my channel you will like. So let's go on. So now we're going to add our CapCut symbol as an overlay. So you tap on overlay next to text. So I will tap on the plus sign to be taken to my phone's gallery where I have downloaded a CapCut PNG. So I'll select it and go to add. At this point, you would want to use your two fingers to resize the image and place it at the exact spot you want it to be, just like I am doing at the moment. At this point, I would like to add an image as an overlay. So the image can be yourself, it can be an image you downloaded from Pexels or whatever stock footage website. So you tap on overlay, tap on the add sign, selected my desired image for the thumbnail, I tap on add, and my image is brought onto the canvas. So what is left is for me to use two fingers to drag and position it where I want it to be. But we are not done. You see that the background of the image and the thumbnail doesn't actually match. So we are going to remove the background from the image by simply tapping remove BG and then selecting auto remover. Let CapCut do the magic. Ta-da! We have our image without the background. So it is just a matter of using two fingers again to resize and position it where you want it to be. So this is how I want mine to be. I'll just resize it, drag it left, right, till I get the perfect position for my YouTube thumbnail. At this point, you may choose to go back to remove BG and give your image a stroke. So you tap on remove BG, go to auto remover, and you select stroke, and there are a lot of options you can choose from. Stroke that gives the image a sort of outline, a colorful one, depending on the type of color and type you choose. This is just an extra information I'm giving you. It is not compulsory. You can choose to do it and see if it works for you. So you'd want to select adjust from the options there, and these will pop up: sharpen, saturation, etc. Select HSL. This will help give your image or your thumbnail a touch up. Now, there are a lot of colors here, but only colors that are present on your YouTube thumbnails will work. So you can tweak it around, brighten the face of the picture, let all colors stand out. That is the essence of the itself. So you just play around with it and then settle on ones that work best for you. Go back and select the sharpen tab just to give my image a sharper look. So I just increase the sharpen and give it a very smooth and nice look. At this final point, you might want to enlarge your thumbnail and then you take a screenshot. Now you might want to crop off the unwanted part, leaving that which you desire for your YouTube thumbnail. So folks, this is how to make a YouTube thumbnail like this using CapCut video editing app. So I'll see you in the next video.